Today I am going to tell you how to cut carrots for pasta. Here I have 3 carrots. I've kept all the 3 washed well and ready to be cut. Now I will be showing you 2 types of cutting. Let us begin. First of all, let us start by peeling the skin of the carrot. Even before that, let us cut both the ends of the carrot like this so that both the edges are discarded. And now we start peeling it. Now this is the first carrot I have nicely peeled and kept it ready. Now let us start. Exactly divide the carrot into 2 equal halves like this, and then each half could be again cut in the given a center cut like this. Now let us start cross cutting it. Now this again depends on the size you require. If you want more thinner, then you can put a vertical cut like this. Now let us start. Normally this is how it is cut for the pastas generally. Now let us collect it. Second carrot which I'm having, and I'm going to show you how to start cutting. This is the second method in which you will choose a thin and whole carrot, and then this is the first method in which we have cut or chopped the carrots. As you can see, they are chopped or diced like this, and here totally the full carrot is diced in this shape.